And I'm just going to take you on a little video tour. This is the new galvanized frame that I had put on to change the old one a couple years back. There's a little bit of rust showing on some of the superficial aspects, and it needs to be painted and gently maintained there. I was actually going to paint it this year if I didn't sell it again, but it was a paint job that I got done in Portland for a very reasonable price. And you can just see where it's coming off some of the aluminum and steel. But generally the body's in great shape. The interior, you put on these great steps and the roof rack, which I love. I'm going to open up the back. You did all this door work too, way back when. So there's latches there, and then there's a latch here. Backside's really clean. Heater works. And this is the console work that you did so many years ago. Fabulous. Okay, one more video with the engine running. Sounds like spin well made.